Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Citroen C3 Picasso. Okay, first of all, you've got your radio controls here on the radio, but the display's up there, so hopefully I'll be able to show you and you can see. Source, band, you've got a music note there, list, and you've got menu here. So we go to menu, click menu, and then you've got up there, you can see if I click this, the sideways button, you've got Bluetooth telephone audio, trip computer, personalization, onto Bluetooth. So we click Bluetooth, click OK in the center, Bluetooth configuration, and then manage the telephone call. So we click OK on Bluetooth configuration. It's on perform a Bluetooth search there, but what we want to do is delete a paired equipment, which is the next one up. So delete a paired equipment, click OK. You see Barry's iPhone there, click on Barry's iPhone, delete Barry's iPhone. It's defaulted to yes, but if you didn't want to, if you'd made a mistake, clicked on the wrong one, you can just click it sideways and go to no, but we want yes, click yes. Deletion complete.